How blessed we are in the Army to have a legacy of musicals that were written just for the Salvation Army, from which we have so many beloved songs. And this is one of them. From the musical Hosea, it talks about the love of God. If humans can do the things that we do, the good things that we do for people, how much more will our Father take care of us? We're going to sing the first verse and the third verse of Psalm 467. If you'd like to follow along in your songbook, of course, the words will also be on the screen. If human hearts are often tender.